Hey guys, so I want to show you how you can take your AirPods and literally use this new feature in iOS 12 and spy on people. I can leave my phone wherever I want, walk away while I'm listening through the microphone on the iPhone in the AirPods. I can walk like 150 feet away. I walked all the way to the corner of my property, and I was still able to hear the audio from the iPhone inside the house. And literally, that's how far it transferred. So to spy on somebody, you could easily. Live Listen is this iOS 12 functionality that Apple added so to help people with hearing loss be able to hear better. If I'm using it right now and I've got my iPhone with me, I can hear so much better. So if I was sitting next to you on a train or something, or a bus, and let's say you're talking on the phone, if I'm using this feature, I could kind of eavesdrop in on you. If I leave this on the table inside of a business meeting or something, my iPhone, and I'm eavesdropping on the meeting, I could go to the bathroom and listen to the whole meeting through my phone, right? It's being used maliciously. I'm going to show you how to set this up, but I'm also going to show you what to notice so that you don't get caught, right? In the event you lose your AirPods, somebody snatches them, you're sitting at a restaurant or something, if you've got this feature enabled, they might be listening in through your phone, right? So there's an easy way to tell when it's active, which is a great feature that Apple has built into it. All right, so let's get this set up. So we're going to open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down to Control Center. Within Control Center, I want you to click on Customize Controls. Scroll down until you hear it, see Hearing. Click on the green plus, and you'll see it go up to the top. We can exit out of this screen. We're going to access Control Center by swiping down on the iPhone screen. And on the very bottom, you're going to see an ear now. When I click that, you're going to see that Live Listen is off. If I select that right now, now it's on. I can hear myself talking through the iPhone. So now Live Listen is on, and you can notice up in the left-hand corner of the iPhone screen, I have this red thing. If I were to click on that, you'll see that the Live Listen screen comes up. That's how you're going to know if somebody's doing this to you. So let's say you're hanging out with a bunch of friends, and they're like, hey man, I'm going to run to the bathroom, and they leave their phone on the table. You might want to just check to see if they have that little red thing, and that'll let you know if they're actually snooping on you or not. And you can be like, yo man, click it, turn it off, and then they ain't gonna be listening to nothing. But thinking about distance, I walked all the way to the end of my property, right? It was like 100 feet over, outside of my house. So you can go some distance with this, you know, and it's honestly, it's one of those features that I actually really like the ability to listen with it on. It's fantastic. All right, everybody. The Apple Ninja site of the week is MrMacintosh.com. And I'm telling you, this site is awesome. It's filled with a wealth of information. Go check it out. Even if you're a home Mac user or an enterprise admin or support tech in the Apple Mac arena, it's a perfect site for you. Go check it out. Give the guy some love. He's an awesome Mac engineer, and I would appreciate that. And you guys have an awesome week. Take care. Make sure to give a thumbs up on the video.